one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Thank you, said the master. Thank you, said the dame. Thank you, said the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, where do you go? Off to the meadow where the green grass grows. Nipple here and nipple there with fluffy friends who love to share. Snip, snip, shear the wool. Pack it gently, bags are full. Spin it soft and spin it tight. Make warm sweaters pure and white. Baa Baa Black Sheep, soft and sweet, tapping gently with little feet. Would you give us wool again? Yes sir, come next rain. Wool for winter, warm and snug. Cozy hats and mittens to hug. Scarves that wrap and socks that glow. Thanks to the sheep in the field below. Baa Baa Black Sheep, cheerful and kind, always giving, never mind. With a bleat and a bounce and a happy play, let's sing this rhyme every day.
Like and subscribe to ZUBEE TV.